Let's face it, life is a scam. Since childhood, we're taught to study hard, get a job and retire old, just then wondering what it would have been like to truly live life on our own terms. Don't spend your life wondering what if. Take the steps now to explore online work options, discover new passions, and take control of your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 20 ways to earn money online, but that's not all. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal the top 5 best ways to combine these methods to supercharge your earnings and create not one but multiple streams of income. You don't want to miss it. Also, the first comment has an Amazon link to the ultimate guide to making money with Apple Vision Pro. Master remote freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Now let's dive into the top 20 ways to make money online. 1. Affiliate marketing. To start with affiliate marketing, join programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale or Commission Junction, and promote products through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Initially, it requires significant effort to build an audience and create content. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that attracts and engages your target audience. Use tools like Google Analytics to understand your audience better and optimize your strategies. Scale by increasing traffic through SEO, paid ads, and expanding to multiple platforms. Regularly update your content and explore new affiliate programs to diversify your income. 2. Selling digital products. To start selling digital products, create items like ebooks, courses, or printables and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Initially, it requires significant effort to create the product and set up sales channels. Research your target audience to ensure your products meet their needs. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe Creative Suite to create high-quality products. Set up a professional-looking website using platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Scale by adding more products, utilizing email marketing with tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, and running promotions through social media and Google Ads. 3. Rental income. To start generating rental income, purchase property or equipment to rent out and list on platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, or local rental sites. Initially, it requires effort to set up listings and manage bookings. Ensure your property is well maintained and appealing to renters. Use professional photography and detailed descriptions for your listings. Invest in more properties over time, use property management services to handle day-to-day operations, and optimize pricing based on demand and competition. Leverage platforms like Airbnb's smart pricing feature and seasonal promotions to maximize income. 4. Dividend stocks. To start investing in dividend stocks, open a brokerage account with companies like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood, and invest in dividend-paying stocks. Initially, it requires research to choose the right stocks. Look for companies with a history of stable and growing dividends. Use financial news websites and tools like Morningstar to analyze stock performance and dividend yields. Reinvest dividends to buy more shares and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Regularly review your investments and adjust your portfolio to maintain a balance between risk and return. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. To start with peer-to-peer lending, join platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle, and lend money to individuals or businesses. Initially, it requires moderate effort to select lending opportunities and manage investments. Diversify your loans across different borrowers to mitigate risk. Use the platform's tools to evaluate borrower creditworthiness and set lending criteria that match your risk tolerance. Reinvest earnings into more loans and spread your investments across different borrower types and industries to increase returns and reduce risk. 6. Royalties from creative works. To start earning royalties from creative works, create books, music, or patents, and publish them on platforms like Amazon, Spotify, or patent licensing companies. Initially, it requires high effort to create and publish the work. Ensure your work is of high quality and meets market demands. Use self-publishing platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing for books or DistroKid for music distribution. Market your works through social media, blogs, and collaborations with influencers. Scale by producing more creative works, marketing them effectively, and negotiating better royalty deals with publishers and distributors. 7. Dropshipping. To start with dropshipping, set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce and partner with suppliers to fulfill orders. Initially, it requires significant effort to set up the store and source products. Research trending products and reliable suppliers using tools like Oberlo or AliExpress. Optimize your store's design for a seamless user experience and high conversion rates. Automate order processing using dropshipping apps and expand your product range based on customer feedback and market trends. Use targeted advertising on social media and Google Ads to drive traffic and sales. 8. Print on demand. To start with print on demand, create designs and partner with services like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, and sell products on your store or marketplaces. Initially, it requires moderate effort to create designs and set up the store. Use graphic design tools like Photoshop or Canva to create unique and appealing designs. Set up your store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, and integrate with print-on-demand services. Scale by adding more designs, running marketing campaigns on social media, and using influencer partnerships to increase brand awareness and sales. 9. YouTube ad revenue. To start earning YouTube ad revenue, create a YouTube channel, produce engaging videos, and enable monetization through Google AdSense. Initially, it requires high effort to create content and grow your channel. Choose a niche that interests you and has a potential audience. Use high-quality equipment for recording and editing videos. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating content based on their feedback. Scale by increasing video production, collaborating with other YouTubers to reach new audiences, and optimizing videos for SEO to improve visibility and reach. 10. Blog advertising. To start with blog advertising, create a blog on platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium, and sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense. Initially, it requires high effort to produce content and attract readers. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create high-quality, valuable content. Use SEO strategies to improve your blog's visibility on search engines. Promote your blog on social media and through guest posts on other blogs. Scale by increasing traffic through advanced SEO techniques, social media marketing, and collaborations with other bloggers and influencers. 11. Subscription services. To start with, subscription services offer exclusive content, tools, or services on a subscription basis using platforms like Patreon, Substack, or Memberful. Initially, it requires high effort to create valuable content and attract subscribers. Identify what exclusive content or services your audience would value most. Use platforms like Patreon to manage subscriptions and deliver content. Scale by expanding your offerings, increasing your subscriber base through targeted marketing, and creating premium tiers with additional benefits to attract higher-paying subscribers. To start with online courses, create comprehensive courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Initially, it requires high effort to develop detailed and engaging courses. Research your target audience's needs and create course content that addresses those needs. Use high-quality recording equipment and editing software to produce professional-looking videos. Scale by creating additional courses, marketing them through social media and email campaigns, and offering bundles or discounts to attract more students. To start with a membership site, build it using platforms like WordPress, Kajabi, or Mighty Networks, and offer exclusive content or community access. Initially, it requires high effort to create and manage the site. Identify the type of exclusive content or community access that would attract members. Use tools like MemberPress or Kajabi to manage memberships and deliver content. Scale by adding more content, engaging with members to build a strong community, and offering different membership levels with varying benefits to attract a broader audience. To start licensing photos or videos, take high-quality content and license it through platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Initially, it requires moderate effort to build a portfolio and upload content. Invest in good camera equipment and editing software to produce professional-quality images and videos. Use keywords and descriptions effectively to make your content easily searchable. Scale by regularly adding new content, improving the quality of your work, and optimizing keywords to increase visibility and sales. 15. Mobile app revenue. To start with mobile app development, create a mobile app and publish it on app stores like Google Play or Apple App Store. Monetization can be achieved through ads, in-app purchases, or subscription models. Initially, it requires high effort to develop and launch the app. Research your target market to ensure your app meets a specific need. Use app development platforms like Flutter or React Native to create your app. Scale by updating the app regularly with new features, responding to user feedback, and optimizing for user acquisition through marketing and app store optimization, or ASO. 16. Automated trading. To start with automated trading, use platforms like MetaTrader, TradeStation, or e*Trade, and set up algorithms to trade stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies. Initially, it requires high effort to develop and test trading strategies. Learn about different trading strategies and choose one that suits your risk tolerance and investment goals. Use backtesting tools to test your algorithms on historical data. Scale by optimizing your algorithms for better performance, diversifying your trading instruments, and increasing your trading capital gradually. 17. Amazon FBA. To start with Amazon FBA, source products and list them on Amazon using Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA to handle storage, packing, and shipping. Initially, it requires high effort to source products and set up listings. Research profitable products using tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. Create optimized product listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Scale by expanding your product range, optimizing your listings for better visibility, and using Amazon PPC advertising to drive traffic and increase sales. 18. Real estate crowdfunding. To start with real estate crowdfunding, invest in projects through platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet. Initially, it requires moderate effort to research and choose investments. Evaluate different crowdfunding platforms and their investment opportunities. Look at the track record of the projects and the expected returns. Scale by reinvesting your earnings into more projects, diversifying your investments across different types of real estate, and increasing your contributions as you become more comfortable with the platform. 19. Ebook royalties. To start with ebook publishing, write and publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, or Smashwords. Initially, it requires high effort to write and format the ebook. Choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that has market demand. Use tools like Scrivener or Vellum to write and format your ebook. Scale by writing more ebooks, using marketing strategies like email campaigns and social media promotion, and participating in promotions like Kindle Countdown deals to increase visibility and sales. 20. Ad revenue from websites. To start earning ad revenue from a website or blog, create valuable content and sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or AdThrive. Initially, it requires high effort to create content and drive traffic. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Use SEO strategies to optimize your content for search engines. Promote your website on social media and through guest posts on other blogs. Scale by increasing traffic through advanced SEO techniques, collaborations, and social media marketing, as well as adding more ad placements and optimizing for higher earnings. Before we continue, remember we are here to help you, from achieving financial freedom in 5 years to how to save money like the rich. We have a bit for everyone. Subscribe. Now let's dive back in. As promised, here are the 5 best combinations that integrate at least 4 income streams for maximum synergy and benefits. Just remember, these are suggestions based on previous results from successful people, and it's highly recommended to start with the one you feel more comfortable with first. Then hire someone to help with that one while you start exploring the second income stream, and so on. Combination 1. Content Creation Hub. Create educational or review-based content on YouTube and enable ad revenue. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions to products or services you mention. Develop online courses related to your content and promote them through your YouTube channel. Additionally, write and sell ebooks that complement your courses and videos. This approach provides multiple income streams from ads, affiliate commissions, course sales, and ebook royalties. It also offers cross-promotion opportunities across different platforms and establishes you as an authority in your niche. Combination 2. Blogging Empire. Start a blog with valuable content and enable ad networks like Google AdSense. Use affiliate links within your blog posts to monetize recommendations. Create and sell digital products such as printables, templates, or guides. Additionally, write ebooks related to your blog topics and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle. This approach provides diverse revenue sources from ads, affiliate commissions, and product sales. It is easy to scale by increasing content output and product offerings, and it builds a loyal audience interested in your niche. Combination 3. E-commerce and content blend. Create a print-on-demand store for custom designs and integrate it with a dropshipping service to offer a wider product range. Promote your products through a YouTube channel by showcasing reviews, tutorials, or lifestyle content. Use affiliate marketing within your YouTube videos and blog to recommend related products. Additionally, enable YouTube ad revenue for extra income. This approach provides low inventory risk with print-on-demand and dropshipping, multiple monetization methods through product sales, affiliate commissions and ads, and the potential for high traffic and sales through engaging video content. Combination 4. Real estate and financial growth. Invest in rental properties for steady rental income, and use a portion of that income to invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms. Allocate part of your portfolio to automated trading strategies for potential high returns, and invest in dividend-paying stocks for regular dividend income. This approach provides diversified income streams from real estate, trading, and dividends, offers potential for significant long-term growth and passive income, and spreads risk across different investment types. Combination 4. Digital education and memberships. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Build a membership site offering exclusive content, community access, and additional resources. Write ebooks that complement your courses and offer them as part of your membership or sell them separately. Use affiliate marketing within your courses, ebooks, and membership site to recommend useful products or services. This approach provides recurring income from memberships and course sales, multiple revenue streams from ebooks and affiliate commissions, and creates a comprehensive educational ecosystem that attracts and retains customers. And there you have it, folks. The top 20 ways to make money online, and the best 5 combinations to maximize your income with at least 4 different streams. Whether you're looking to start small or dive into multiple opportunities at once, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the key to success is consistency and taking action. Drop in the comments which one was your favorite or which you used successfully. Also remember, the first comment has an Amazon link to the ultimate guide to making money with Apple Vision Pro. Master remote freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Before leaving, did you already subscribe? Do you not want to achieve financial freedom in 5 years? Or learn how to master your budget and stop leaks? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.